Congratulations on the purchase of a professional-grade Rainbird rotor. This rotor can replace any major brand rotor. This video describes how you can clean the filter. Find your rotor fixed left edge by turning the center cap of the rotor all the way to the right, then to the left. Lay down a pen on the ground to mark the arrow direction on the top of the rotor. This will help to set the rotor to its original position. Take off the top of the rotor by holding the case in place and unscrewing the upper portion of the sprinkler head. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the filter basket from the bottom of the rotor. For the 32SA or 3504 model, use a screwdriver on the side hole to remove the filter. Rinse the filter in clean water. Install the filter back into the bottom of the sprinkler. Make sure it snaps all the way into place. Use the pen as a reference to reinstall the rotor head into its original watering position. Align the arrow on the head of the rotor with the direction of the pen on the ground. Rotate the rotor head clockwise until it is tight. Reset the starting point on the left-hand side by rotating the rotor top all the way to the right, then to the left.